Hello, Mike with MarineMax in Maryland. Today I'm standing in front of the new Aviara A32. Now if this boat looks a little familiar to you, it's because it is the marketing boat. So it's been all around, lots of marketing pictures, different skylines, so real familiar look to it. You have actually seen this one. Starting on the transom here as we work over our way. Nice spot for the grill, sets right in there. Want to grill something out, hanging out, partying in the afternoon, great spot to be. One of the things you're going to notice about this 32 Aviara is it really is an ultimate day boat. Power plant, Mercury, twin, 300 horsepower. That's the V8, really smooth, quiet, easy on maintenance, easy to use. Open up the top here, check the dipstick. This might look a little different to you. It's got a stadium seating. So not only do the backrest come up, seat comes up, you can easily fit 6 people back here. Great for hanging out, spending the afternoon, going swimming, jumping in, fishing, hanging out. Definitely the spot to be. One of the nice, unique features I like, battery switches right in the back of the boat. Walk in, turn it on, boat lights up, and away you go. As you walk through, nice easy walkway, simple to get in. You're gonna see the sea deck all throughout on the floor. Really ties together nicely with the styling of the boat. Large, expansive cockpit. You're gonna see trimmed out and teak everywhere. Lots of cup holders. Great stereo sound system on this. Really wanna crank it up. You can really enjoy yourself with it. You'll hear it with all the clip speakers throughout. They really did a spot-on job to make sure you could entertain all you want. Speaking of the entertainment, you're gonna see this nice station here. Opens up here for a sink. Pull-out cooler here. And of course, counter space. The other real nice feature about this boat is there is storage absolutely everywhere, whether it's in here, underneath your seats here. You saw in the back where I lifted up where the battery is, there's storage, everywhere you need it. Helm, double wide helm seat, so room for you and your co-captain. Nice display here. So we have the Simrad screen, that's going to be your readout for the motors. Garmin screen, a little bit of everything, whether you want to have the navigation chart, motor information, you name it. And then this nice switch panel here. So this is actually how you can run different things throughout the boat. So you want to put the sunshade out, you just press the sunshade button. Really innovative, unique feature, something you're not going to find anywhere else. So move forward to the bow. You're going to notice it's nice and deep. Feel like you're down in the boat, so even if it gets a little bit rough, still going to be very comfortable up here. Again, the theme of storage all throughout. Great seating if you wanted to have 4 or 6 people hanging out up here. There's definitely room for that. Cup holders all throughout. You'll see those cup holders are down low, keeps your drink out of the sun so it stays cool. Other thing you're going to notice in all the storage areas, there's 12-volt chargers, so you can never have enough charging ports. So you want to charge up your phone, your iPad, whatever you're playing on, streaming your music through, you have that ability all throughout the boat. You're going to have a windlass up there, standard feature. One thing we just glazed over, but I definitely want to show you, is the storage compartment. That is also where the head is. Very deep, lots of room down there. So like I said, day head for when you do have the 10 people on board, also makes for a great storage compartment on your way out, in and out. So again, I'm sure we've missed a few features, but just wanted to give you the highlights of this marketing demo, 32 Aviara at MarineMax in Maryland. If you haven't been on one of these, definitely we want to get you out on the water, show you how she performs. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to show you this 32.